Dude. Dude, that first one was good as shit.
I know.
Dude.
Fucking terrifying.
We're practicing wheelies on the Grom. I hit one really high one earlier, and I was scared to do it again because I don't want to loop this dude's Grom. Alright, I think five seems to be the fun zone. Dude, 5 is the fun zone. Ooh. That one I kind of lost it. I took my feet off the pegs. It's bad. Oh! Dude, that one felt legit. It probably looked like ass, but it felt legit. Dude, this shit is fun. Ah, what the fuck? Dude, you gotta try this. Dude, it feels like all it is, like 6 miles an hour, decent pop-up. If you're sitting back, you can get it to come up. 5 miles an hour is the cash money militia zone. Is just straight beast. That one banger one was at 4. So 4 miles an hour seems like
that's terrifying as fuck.
Dude, but that shit was kind of cool though.
You're good, dude. You're fucking good at that.
Dude, on the Grom, bro, you gotta try this. I'm telling you, you gotta try this. You gotta do a good 5 mile an hour. Just dump it.
5 mile an hour, just dump it.
5 mile an hour. 5 to 6 is both really good. If you want a big one, bro, do 4. Dude, but dude, it's so fun. Oh my god. I'm tempted to now try it on my Ninja and then quickly kill myself. Oh. Oh, that one felt like money. Oh. Bro, thanks for letting me spend so much time on your Grom, dude. It's so fun. I mean, there's a difference, right? On the Grom, you're kind of like, who cares? You can do anything. God, something about being on the Grom makes you feel invincible, bro. Like, I swear. Because, like, when I'm on this thing and when we're cornering, like, I warmed up to getting off the bike more because I'm so rusty leaning off the bike. So after the Grom, I was good, but I still wasn't as good as I was on the Grom. On the Grom, I was just full, like, nothing can stop me. I'm invincible.
Yeah, you were fucking balling out.
Dude, I might actually just have to, like, get one. I gotta figure it out.
Bro, that was fucking awesome.
Dude, I know. Goddamn, just Honda Grom days, dude. Fucking good. That was so much fun.